The future of space exploration just got a whole lot brighter as SpaceX received FAA approval for a massive rocket launch in Texas. The company, founded by tech mogul Elon Musk, has been making waves in the space industry for years with its innovative rockets and ambitious plans for space travel. Now, with this latest approval, SpaceX is set to take its next big step towards reaching the stars. The launch will be a monumental moment in human history, as the rocket will carry not only supplies and equipment, but also the hopes and dreams of millions of people who believe in the power of space exploration. What is SpaceX? SpaceX is a private space exploration company founded in 2002 by entrepreneur Elon Musk. The company's goal is to make space travel accessible to everyone and to ultimately colonize Mars. Since its inception, SpaceX has made significant strides in the aerospace industry, including launching the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit, sending a spacecraft to the International Space Station, and successfully landing and reusing rockets. SpaceX's innovative approach to space travel has caught the attention of governments and private companies around the world, and the company has secured contracts with NASA and other organizations to provide supply missions to the ISS and other projects. With its latest FAA approval for a massive rocket launch in Texas, SpaceX is set to make history once again. The significance of FAA approval for SpaceX. The Federal Aviation Administration is responsible for regulating all commercial space launches in the United States. SpaceX's recent approval for a massive rocket launch in Texas is a significant milestone for the company, as it demonstrates the FAA's confidence in SpaceX's ability to safely execute complex space missions. The approval process for commercial space launches is rigorous and involves extensive safety checks and risk assessments. FAA approval is required for all launches, and failure to comply with safety standards can result in fines or even revocation of launch licenses. For SpaceX, receiving FAA approval for the massive rocket launch in Texas is a testament to the company's commitment to safety and innovation. It also opens the door for future ambitious space projects, such as missions to Mars and beyond. Overview of the massive rocket launch in Texas. The massive rocket launch in Texas is set to take place at SpaceX's launch site in Boca Chica, Texas. The rocket, known as Starship, is a massive spacecraft that is designed to transport both crew and cargo to space destinations, including the Moon and Mars. The Starship rocket is powered by SpaceX's innovative Raptor engines, which use liquid methane and liquid oxygen as fuel. The rocket is made of stainless steel, which is more durable and cost-effective than traditional materials used in rocket construction. The launch of the Starship rocket is expected to be the largest commercial rocket launch in history, and it will mark a significant milestone in space exploration. The rocket will carry supplies and equipment for future space missions, including missions to the Moon and Mars. The benefits of the massive rocket launch for the aerospace industry. The massive rocket launch in Texas has the potential to revolutionize the aerospace industry. The launch will demonstrate the capabilities of SpaceX's innovative technology, which could lead to new partnerships and contracts with governments and private companies around the world. The launch will also create new opportunities for research and development in space travel, including the development of new spacecraft and propulsion systems. The success of the launch could also inspire a new generation of engineers and scientists to pursue careers in space exploration. Potential challenges and risks of the massive rocket launch. The massive rocket launch in Texas is not without its risks and challenges. Launching a massive rocket requires extensive planning and coordination, and even minor errors can result in catastrophic failure. Furthermore, the launch will generate a significant amount of noise and disruption to the local community. The FAA has implemented safety measures to minimize the impact of the launch on the surrounding area, but residents may still experience disruptions to their daily routines. The impact of the massive rocket launch on the local economy. The massive rocket launch in Texas is expected to have a significant impact on the local economy. The launch site in Boca Chica has already created jobs and brought investment to the area, and the launch itself is expected to generate millions of dollars in revenue and economic activity. Local businesses are expected to benefit from the influx of tourists and visitors to the area, and the launch is expected to generate a significant amount of media attention and publicity for the region. The long-term impact of the launch on the local economy remains to be seen, but it has the potential to be a significant driver of economic growth and development. SpaceX's future plans for space exploration. The massive rocket launch in Texas is just the beginning of SpaceX's ambitious plans for space exploration. The company's ultimate goal is to make space travel accessible to everyone and to colonize Mars. SpaceX's innovative approach to space exploration has caught the attention of governments and private companies around the world, and the company has secured contracts with NASA and other organizations to provide supply missions to the ISS and other projects. With its latest FAA approval for a massive rocket launch in Texas, SpaceX is set to make history once again. The massive rocket launch in Texas is a testament to the power of innovation and human ambition. SpaceX's ambitious plans for space exploration have the potential to unlock new discoveries about the universe, and to inspire a new generation of engineers and scientists to pursue careers in space exploration. The launch itself is a significant milestone in human history, and it marks the beginning of a new era in space travel. As we look towards the future, we can only imagine the possibilities that lie ahead. So, get ready to blast off with SpaceX and witness the dawn of a new era in space travel. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos